channel. So for all those of you who are new, my name is Tuhin Thakur, and as you can judge from the title, so basically my mom right here, Miss Vinita Thakur.
Hi.
And my sister Omika Thakur.
Hello.
Are going to take up a challenge that says who knows me better. So basically both of them are going to answer questions about me. They are going to get 30 seconds to guess the answer. At max they have 3 attempts for that answer, and the one who gets the correct answer will get a point, and at the end of the video whoever has more points is the winner of the game. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first question for both of you is something that I hate the most. Something that I absolutely hate, I despise. कि मतलब मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसे नफरत हो जाती है अगर वो चीज मेरे आसपास हो तो.
I know this. क्या कहते हैं उसे? Slime.
Slime, that's correct. I absolutely hate slime. I absolutely hate slime, and because of that, she and one of my other sisters हमेशा ये दोनों स्लाइम लेके आ जाएंगे और मेरे पास हाथ लगा लो, मैं आपके ऊपर लगा दूँ, आपके ऊपर लगा दूँ. ये हमेशा चलता है इन दोनों का. ठीक है. So the thing that I hate the most is slime. ठीक है. The next thing, what is my preferred drink? If I have a choice between cold coffee and tea.
Cold coffee.
Okay, that is correct. Both of them know this, so both of them get a point. Okay, what is my preferred platform? Is it Netflix or Amazon Prime?
Netflix.
This is also correct. So both of them get a point. So Omika right here has 3, mom has 2. Next. What is next? My favorite cuisine. What is my favorite cuisine?
Italian.
Chinese, Italian. Okay, so this one's a little tough call, but I would go with Chinese because I am a sucker for noodles and Manchurian all time. Like every time. If you know, a lot of people say कि नहीं तुहिन अगर जाएगी तो she'll always choose pasta. नहीं, that is not true. अगर मेरे पास choice होगी कि मैं noodles और Manchurian खा सकती हूँ तो that would be my first preference. So it is Chinese. Next, what am I more? ठीक है. Obviously I do both the things, but what do I do more? Do I do more street shopping or do I do more brand shopping?
Street shopping.
Street shopping. Again correct. Nice. Alright. So, what is my dream destination? Which is that one place that I absolutely want to visit and I have not visited yet?
Any options?
Alright. It is either Paris or Manosque or Dubai. One of these 3.
Manosque. सुना सा नहीं लग रहा.
वही सुना सा नहीं लग रहा इसलिए Manosque.
हाँ. सही है.
Yeah, so my dream destination to visit is Manosque, France. It is a village in France. So I want to visit that one place. ठीक है. Now, what is my guilty pleasure? Guilty pleasure. Explain करना पड़ेगा question guilty pleasure. वैसे तो पता होना चाहिए दोनों को. Guilty pleasure. नहीं पता. Oh my god, I thought this was the easiest question. दोनों को पता होगा. पक्का? नहीं पता दोनों को.
Gossiping on phone?
No, I don't gossip. Do I gossip? मैं नहीं करती gossip यार. मैं
Reading novels?
गिल्टी प्लेजर. जिस चीज के लिए मैं गिल्टी फील करूंगी ऐसा प्लेजर. व्हाट इज माय गिल्टी प्लेजर?
मैं दीदी की बहन हूँ. हाँ पक्का. पूरे
दिस इज नॉट अ प्लेजर फॉर मी. दिस इज अ गिल्ट, नॉट अ प्लेजर.
और भी बुरा था.
ओके, तो ये दोनों को ही नहीं पता. सो द आंसर फॉर माय गिल्टी प्लेजर इज आई एब्सोल्युटली लव chocolates. I cannot live without chocolates. So my guilty pleasure is I love chocolates. Now next, what is my favorite food franchise?
Subways?
That's correct. Next we are going up with What is my favorite sweet?
Sweet.
Favorite sweet.
मेरे को पता है, बेसन के लड्डू.
ये that goes to ये आपको कैसे नहीं पता
नहीं,
था?
I knew.
तो बोला क्यों नहीं?
झूठ बोल रहे, याद नहीं रहा.
No, I of course know it's बेसन के लड्डू.
मतलब every time you go shopping, you try to get that for me, and she did not answer this question. I am shocked.
I'm
Officially.
leading, right?
Yes. ठीक है. So, who is my favorite YouTuber?
Mostly same.
Mostly same.
What's her original name?
प्राजक्ता कोहली.
That's right. So mostly same Prajakta Gandhi. Okay, what is my favorite topping sauce?
Pizza pasta sauce.
Pizza pasta sauce. That's wrong.
है?
That's wrong.
What? Nutella.
Szechuan sauce. Okay, next. So what is my favorite TV show?
No.
Favorite TV show? I mean web series.
टीवी शो और वेब
TV
सीरीज
show.
बहुत फर्क
Web
है.
series. No.
Vampires Diaries.
Vampire Diaries भाई.
Vampire Diaries was also a CW network का TV show only. उसको बस Netflix पे अपलोड कर दिया गया था. ठीक है. It is not like that. It is also a TV show. ठीक है. Okay, who is my favorite? Who's my celebrity crush?
उसका नाम नहीं याद है.
Sorry.
ये हॉलीवुड में कुछ ज्यादा ही बड़ा नाम है इस बंदे का.
Of course, it's a Hollywood star, but I don't know. Sorry.
It's Ian Somerhalder or Jensen Ackles.
नाम है कौन किसी जगह का वो. खैर चलो.
मतलब इसमें मुश्किल क्या है इस नाम में? Okay, the next one's like super easy. कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ो इसे छोड़ो. What is my favorite movie? Guys,
ये
favorite
जवानी है
है
दीवानी.
दीवानी.
Okay, so both of them knew this. ठीक है. So, what is the name of my first gang of friends? Like, you don't, like, our gang did not have a name. It's like, what is the name of the members of my first gang of friends?
Which classes?
First gang of friends. तो which class पूछने का concept ही खत्म हो जाता है ना?
क्या नाम था उनका?
Okay, I think it goes from DPS Kalyanpur,
हाँ.
Candy, Tarunika,
मैं कह चुकी हूँ.
and one
Candy,
more.
Tarunika. एक और नाम बचा. Whoever
Candy,
says that first.
Tarunika,
Candy, Tarunika,
and Sejal? नहीं.
Sejal.
No.
Who Sejal? I did not have any Sejal in DPS Kalyanpur.
Okay.
Candy.
Charlie.
Okay, what is Candy's real name?
That.
Bonus है. Bonus question. +1 मिल जाएगा. Candy का real name क्या
मैं
है?
जानती नहीं हूँ.
She doesn't know.
I have talked about them.
No,
Okay.
she doesn't know.
Official announcement. Candy का original name is Gautami.
Okay.
Gautami. Fine. So,
Are you still in contact with them?
No. No, I lost touch with them ever since I shifted to Panipat. I lost touch with them.
But you think that they must be also remembering you?
Hey, wasn't this supposed to be the other way around? Like I was supposed to ask the question and they were supposed to answer? I have never thought about it actually. That will they remember me or not? I don't know. Matlab, I remember them, but I don't know if they will remember me. But at that point of time, yeah, they were the 3 friends that I always had around me. So yeah, they are my 3 first gang of friends. That was my first gang of friends. Anyways,
That too of girls.
that's true. That's true.
Otherwise, you are always with the boys. Your gang is always.
So
with the
Charlie
boys.
was a boy.
Okay.
Charlie was a boy. Charlie was a boy. Anyways, so very easy question, like super easy. मतलब इसमें तो I can officially put it on timer कि देखते हैं कौन पहले बताएगा. ठीक है? It's like what's my favorite color?
पर्पल.
इतना slow आंसर नहीं करना. वो पहले आंसर करेगी तो मैं उसको पॉइंट दूंगी ना.
But I know it's purple.
Okay, guys. So the next question is, what was my first stipend / salary / award or cash award or whatever you want to say?
2,000 rupees And you won it in your dance competition at state level.
Yes. Which year was it?
16, 17?
2015.
2015.
15, 16.
15, 16.
Yeah, it was the state. And for nationals, you went in 16, 17.
16. I went in 16 for my nationals. Okay, so the next is, what is my most prized possession? Like something I have like very close to my heart that I've gotten for myself, and अगर उस एक चीज को कुछ भी हो जाता है, so I get very very angry. What is it?
Jewelry.
It's your Bharatnatyam jewelry.
Yes, that's my Bharatnatyam jewelry set. Now, who remembers how I got it? How I got it? Anybody?
With your cash award.
I got it with my cash.
purchased.
That was my first purchase from my first cash award that I had ever got.
And some contribution from my side was also there.
No.
Yes.
I gave it back later. I gave it. I gave. Oh.
Mom also
I gave it back.
contributed.
I gave it back
But
later.
the contribution was there, na? I don't remember whether you had given it back or not.
I have.
Just 2000.
I had.
Just 2000.
See,
That was
I'll tell you. The total set costed me 3,300 rupees. I had won 2,000 rupees, and later, like in the next competition, when I got some other cash award, so that is when I returned it completely to her. So it is officially on my first salary. You did not contribute in that.
Chalo, whatever.
Okay, next is, which is the TV show or web series that I'm currently watching?
Supernaturals.
Is she always peeping in my phone?
Maybe.
No. Do you know my password?
Maybe she is my spy.
You guys spy on me. You guys have been spying on me. Really? I mean, do you guys really need to spy? Even I do not put on my headphones. Why do you guys need to spy on me?
Because you are always there inside your room. You don't even come out.
That's because
So we
I'm
need
working.
to search out what are you doing.
Exactly.
She doesn't even come in my room. You come in my room more.
Okay.
Very bad, guys. Okay, next. What was my first aspiration? Like, what did I want to become? You know, जब वो 1-2 साल के बच्चे होते हैं, they are asked कि बेटा बड़े होगे क्या बनोगे?
No idea.
You wanted to become a lawyer?
Lawyer was, oh my god, 8th standard से पहले भी बच्चों के
इतनी बुरी
aspirations
choice. इतनी बुरी choice.
Why?
लॉयर बुरी चॉइस क्यों है भैया? मैं बनना चाहती थी, वो उसके बाद
आपको लॉयर बनना था.
I would have made a good lawyer.
अच्छा.
Support me on this. I would have made a good lawyer. See, I'm still wearing the coat in the same way. I mean, these people do not support me at all. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Okay, so last question for you.
No,
guys.
what's the answer of that question? What was your first aspiration?
Oh, sorry. My first aspiration was, Dadu told me to become that. So my first aspiration was to become a doctor, but then I realized when I started eating fish, while I was eating non-veg, when I started eating fish and I could not bear to look at the face of the fish, that is when I realized doctor was not for me.
Yeah, I remember. Dadu used to always tell you to become doctor.
So yeah, my first aspiration as a child, what I always told everybody, was to become a doctor. First, like, do not judge me कि doctor नहीं बनी, भाई नहीं possible था, नहीं होता. With all the questions being done, we have finally come to the results. So mom right here has 10 marks on 20 questions. And my dearest sister right here has 12 marks.
Yay! And she's the winner.
And she becomes the winner of today's video. Yay! So, this was all for the questions and the marks. So, please do let me know if you guys...
प्राइज जीती हूँ मैं. अभी पिछली बार कहा था कि टेस्ट है. प्राइज.
Alright, so if you want to see what prize she has gotten for passing this test with flying colors, if you want to see what prize did she get for, passing this test with flying colors, please do subscribe to the channel, because the next video might be her
Okay.
Prize distribution ceremony.
Prize distribution. So the next video might be her prize distribution ceremony, or maybe because mom lost, she will give us both a treat. Maybe,
Oh.
maybe.
Maybe
That
we're
sounds-
sure.
That. So with this we come to an end to today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely session with my mom and my sis. Now if you guys want to see more video like these, or something that you want me to do specifically with my mom, or specifically with my sister, or with any other of my family members, or you guys for that matter of fact, if you want me to do that, please put it down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try to do that as soon as possible. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, because there are a couple of activities that are happening over there. So I would really like if you guys could participate in that. Until we meet for the next time or next Saturday, bye guys.